welcome back to another episode of Soul Food Sunday, girl. Okay, in this episode, we got takeout at home, sis. Okay, we ain't ordering out, we got takeout at the crib. You feel me? So, in this episode, I wanted to do my homemade shrimp fried rice. This is my interpretation of my shrimp fried rice, okay? So don't come for me saying that ain't right, that ain't the Asian way. This is the ToleahTV, born and raised in New Orleans way, okay? And that's period. So what you've seen so far is me peeling the shrimp, putting the shrimp in the bowl. I've added some soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. That's it. Sit it off to the side and let those flavors combine. I use one large onion that I'm going to chop into cubes. I particularly like my onions to be a bigger chop and a bigger cut rather when I'm making my shrimp fried rice. I've recently gained a lot of subscribers, and thank you guys so much for believing in me and clicking on and watching and supporting, and most importantly, subscribing. If you're new here and you don't know much about me, let me just give you little tidbits of who I am. I've been doing YouTube for 5 years now. I originally started my content with cooking, and I began to film my lifestyle and include cooking in it. And then I veered off from cooking into vlogging. So I haven't given my audience a proper cooking video in like 3 years. And I really miss it, just dedicated cooking. So that's why I have come back in full force, girl, okay? So as you guys just saw, I cracked 7 eggs, removed the white membrane. And when I make my shrimp fried rice, I really prefer to have a lot of egg in it, but that's just my preference. So here I'm going to take some olive oil or whatever oil you'd like, girl. And I'm going to put that marinated season into that oil. And we're going to not crowd the pan. Please don't crowd the pan, okay? We want the shrimp to sear off. We do not want the shrimp to steam. We want a nice little golden crust on it. Want it to be flavorful, plump, and don't keep them in there too long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes each side, and pull them out quickly and expeditiously, girl, okay? If you are enjoying Soul Food Sunday, we got takeout at home. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always leave me a comment. I always answer and reply. And I really appreciate you guys coming over, believing in your girl, and sticking with me. So I'm originally from New Orleans, and my love of cooking comes from being around my grandmother, my mother, my aunts, watching my dad cook. I just always was intrigued with cooking. I love combining ingredients. I love watching chefs on television with my grandmother on Saturday, PBS, watching Emerald and Julia Childs. And I was just very fascinated with it, and I decided I wanted to be a chef. But when I became a mother and I had to cook all the time and feed my kids, it became more of a chore. So I kind of lost my passion for cooking. And then as my children grew up and I became older, I began to love cooking all over again, like in a whole new sense, a whole new way of it. And I just really thank God for bringing my passion back to me. Like, I really do thank him for that. I've never enjoyed cooking so much like I do now, right now, in this season of my life. And I'm just so happy I have you guys to come along with me on this new journey. So we've seared off the shrimp. We have cooked down our onions with our garlic. Now the shrimp fried rice rule is to use day-old rice. And I'm not against it and I'm not for it, because the rice you see before you was cooked the same day I made the shrimp fried rice. Let me explain. Now you can use rice you cook the same day, but it's important to let it sit and cool completely or somewhat cool. So it is okay to use rice that you have cooked that same day. And as you can see, my rice is fully cooked. It's not mushy. You can see each grain, and that's how it's supposed to be. Now you saw me add onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flake, and soy sauce to my rice and combine. Now I'm combining my scrambled eggs to it. Also, I have not used any salt with this recipe as of yet. other than the soy sauce, which has sodium. There's so much sodium in soy sauce, there's really no need to add salt unless you just want to. Now I'm going to add my perfectly cooked shrimp. I'm going to add a little drizzle, and I do emphasize, girl, little drizzle of sesame seed oil. A little goes absolutely a long way. It's a very intense flavor, but a very delicious flavor, an authentic flavor if used correctly. I also added my fresh green onions, not only for the beautiful color, but it adds a freshness to your shrimp fried rice. And this is our finished dish here. But we're not just gonna stop there, girl. With my shrimp fried rice, we always make a homemade yum yum sauce. I'm gonna put all the measurements and everything on the screen, and I'm pretty sure I didn't follow any of those. I'm an eyeballer, kind of cook with a heart kind of girly, but for my audience who needs those measurements, you're welcome, okay? So that's what we're doing here. Delicious, simple, homemade yum yum sauce that we always put on our shrimp fried rice, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm a true believer that if it looks good, it's probably going to taste good. I have always been a home cook who not only wants to serve delicious food, but you eat with your eyes first. So presentation has always been a big thing for me. This is our finished product. I'm very proud of what I did here today. If you guys try this recipe or have any questions, please leave me some comments down below. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Soul Food Sunday.